Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to feature an ad on Dubizzle. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your Dubizzle account and you've posted your ad, here at the top menu you'll see My Ads. You can go ahead and click on this, or if you don't see this, you just hover over your profile icon. You'll get this drop down. Click on My Ads from here and it'll redirect you to this page which has all your listings. Okay, both live ads and under review ads. You can go ahead and feature any of those. Here we have this ad, a job seeking ad, and here at the right hand side you'll see get up to 12 times more offers, and there's a button that says how. I want you to click on this and this will let you actually feature this ad. So here we have different options. You can feature for 7 days, 14 days, even 30 days, and then you just choose the one that you want. You'll see the price. This is with the VAT as well, right? This is the total price, and if you have a discount code you can go ahead and enter that right here and hit apply. And then finally just come here, click on pay, and then you just go ahead and enter your payment details, name of your card, expiration date, CVV code, and your card number, and you can decide to save it if you want. Really that easy, and that is how to feature an ad on Dubizzle.